In this video, let's see how to install Python. I'm going to the Python website. I'm on python.org. Let's go to downloads. And you can download the latest version. So we'll be using 3.6.5 in our recording. The latest version is 3.7.4. For the purpose of this course, I'll be using 3.6.5. The latest available version at this time is 3.7.4. Feel free to go ahead and download 3.7.4 because it should work the same except for a few minor changes, so it should not make a huge difference. Once you're on this page, you should be able to scroll down to the bottom where you have the files section, and you should be able to install the Windows x86. Well, that's a zip file, and that's a installer executable, and that's a web-based installer. So you should be able to get any one of them really. So I'm going to get this one, wait for it to download. So once it downloads, run the application, click on run, and then you can just select install now. You can also say add Python 3.7 to path, and then click on this. I'm going to go ahead and cancel the installation because I already have Python installed. So I'm running 3.6.5. So once you click on install, it should ask you for Windows user account control permission. Once you say yes, it should install it. So if you have any questions, just please post it into comments. I'm happy to answer and help you install. So this is installing Python on Windows. I'll make another video for installing Python on Linux. By default, if you install any latest version of Linux, you should have Python installed. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.